Understanding how to manage your investments or digital assets is key, and that often comes down to the interface you use. For those using Spaceship, particularly the platform for domain names, web hosting, and related digital services, the answer is a clear yes. Spaceship provides an all-in-one dashboard or centralized interface. This web dashboard is where users log in to manage all their purchased products, including domains, hosting packages, professional email accounts like Spacemail, and website settings. The dashboard is designed to be clean, intuitive, and user-friendly, helping you manage your entire digital presence from one spot without needing to jump between different systems. It's a key feature for simplifying product setup and management. It is important to note that the Australian financial investment platform, also called Spaceship, which offers investing and superannuation products, primarily focuses on its dedicated mobile application. While you can sign up online, management and tracking for those investment products are generally centered within the user-friendly mobile app. Therefore, depending on which Spaceship platform you are referring to, the primary way of interaction may be a web dashboard for domain and hosting services or a mobile app for financial investing.